Tila mabilis na matapos ang segundo't minuto tuwing ika'y nasa tabi ko. Lahat ay nalilimutan, sakit ng ulo't problema sa tuwing makakasama ka. Basta ikaw sapat na, hindi na kailangan pa maghanap ng iba. Oh, hindi magsasawa, magmanuan pasawa. Basta wag kang mawawala. Gumagaan ang aking nararamdaman. Basta dyan ka lang at ako na may iyong samahan. Basta dyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Gumagaan ang lahat. Basta dyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Gumagaan.
Basta dyan ka lang.
Wala naman akong ibang hinihiling, kundi ikaw ay lagi silang makapiling. Sa tuwing hinahawakan mo aking mga kamay, pakiramdam ko'y parang lagi mahihimatay. Just wake me up, am I asleep? I must be dreaming. It feels so good, I can't believe this world of being. Cause every time that we're together I'm a feeling, it's like a fantasy I'm staying and I'm never leaving. Gumagaan ang aking nararamdaman.
To my future wife, Donna.
Yeah, cheers!
At ako na may iyong samahan. Basta dyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Gumagaan ang lahat. Basta dyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Gumagaan ang lahat. Basta dyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Basta dyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan.
My love, my answered prayer. You were just a dream that I once knew, sabi nga sa lyrics ng kanta. Kasi hindi pa kita kilala, kilala ka na ng Diyos na. 8 years ago, I wrote a letter to a man I had never met. I didn't know your name, your face, or the sound of your voice. But I knew you were out there and God was preparing you for me just as He was preparing me for you. I never thought that the letter I wrote titled "To my future boyfriend/husband" would came to life. I never imagined that years later, I would be standing here in front of God, in front of that man, in front of you, sealing the love it is destined for us.
Kaya naman napapabalik.
Hi my love, akalain mo nandito na tayo sa harap ng altar. From a simple swipe to saying I do. I still remember first date natin sa SM South Hall. Gabing ka ba po kagaya ngayon? I remember nag-CR ako muna para maging gwapo. Masuklayin yung buhok ko. As days turns to weeks, dahan-dahan ko nakilala ang totoong Donna. Slowly I fall in love. Nalala mo late night date natin sa coffee project. Almost 12 midnight tayo doon. We share stories, ang saya natin. I knew I love you from that moment. At naisip ko that she's the one.
Kung iisipin mo, paano
Hi my love, sana magustuhan mo ang gift ko. I know you really like this. See you on at the aisle. My future husband, I love you. Your bride, Donna.
I met you when I wasn't even looking, and just I always believed. All the pain and tears from my past were simply God's way of preparing me for you.
ikaw ay aking makasalubong?
matagal mo na to gusto. Excited na ako makita ka. See you later. Mwah, I love you. Alex.
Yes.
Wow! DJ I.
Nahanap kita.
I saw how much you love and prioritize your family. How you value your time with Alonzo and Mateo. And I admire you for that. Yung simpleng sasabihin mo na, uuwi ako ng maaga. Kasi I promise them na magbabanding kami or lulutuan ko sila ng food. It melts my heart. Sabi ko, wow, iba to. Today, in front of the people and in front of God, I promise to stand by you in every high and low, to support you in all your dreams, katulad ng mga napag-usapan natin. I promise to remind you every single day na proud ako sa'yo at kakampi mo ko. And I promise to be your safe place, your home and your partner. And today, with God's grace, I claim it, and we will have the best, happiest, and successful marriage together with our future kids. My love, ikaw ang aking pahinga, ang aking tahanan, ang aking palagi. Love you, my love. Now, my husband. Mahal kita, aking palagi.
Love.
Love you.
I believe destiny bring us together. You are my best friend, my love of my life, my soulmate. Excited na ako sa future natin. Maraming challenge na dadaan. Together, nothing is impossible. I love you so much. I can't wait to spend my life with you.
Namin ang hinaharap. Sa dinami-rami ng pwedeng mangyari.